So kids, ito yung tent natin. This is mama and dada's bed. And that is your bed. Malaki-laki siya. You had fun. This is our second day na. We came here yesterday ng afternoon. And you know what? 3 hours tayong nag-set up ng ating site, camping site natin. There's some aberya, pero buti na lang mabait yung ating neighbor. Nagpahiram ng pump para sa ating bed na itong isa. Ay, ikaw Ilay, kagabi lumipat ka sa bed namin, tapos bumalik ka ulit sa bed mo dahil napakalamig. Ngatog si mama last night. This is the view outside of our tent. And Dada is cooking your breakfast sausage. Okay, I'm gonna go outside, help him. Morning, Dada. How was your sleep last night? Ngatog. Ngatog. Ay, narangan ka nito. Breakfast sausage. Ay, ngatog. So magano kami, magpa-fried rice na walang bawang. Kasi nakalimutan ko. Yeah, yung lasa na lang yan. First breakfast.
About first ew.
Oo naman ang alay, dami kagat ng lamok.
What? No. I have like blood. That's delicious.
You have sweet blood.
No amount of blood spray, bug spray can stop them.
Yeah, ganun talaga. Ayos. Thank you, Dada, for the breakfast.
Mama.
Fishing time. Gonna go fishing. Kala mo may boat pupunta dito, magpipish lang pala. Doon tayo sa kabila, be, kasi no bite daw sila sa kabila eh.
Alright, we're back on our
Spaghetti
day 2, lunchtime.
Birthday.
The birthday ni Mama. Spaghetti. Set up namin ang aming washroom.
Tingnan natin yung sulit na sulit. So ayan yung plastic bag, tabo, toilet tissue, our tiny potty, and yan, sanitizer, food gel, at saka wipes. Yan, okay siya. Oh, ang tiny bulb namin, okay na okay. Dito kami nagbabanlaw after swimming.
We have, sampayan. Ang tent. Sobrang lamig kagabi. Buti na lang may sleeping bag yung mga bata. Okay. Turo namin kayo sa aming inside ng aming room ng tent. May space siya. Not bad. For all 4 of us, maluwag na maluwag. fishes. Mga boys just playing water for the meantime while waiting for lunch. Hey brother,
Yeah.
ano, you just keeping cool?
Yeah.
Eli too, he looks bored and hot. Good Eli. Yung aming campsite number is 810 sa Little Bow Provincial Park. And ang masasabi ko lang, advantage niya is bungad lang. And then malapit kami dun sa may gripo para magdidilig ng water for washing. It's actually a drinking water but we only use it for washing stuff. 8:10 and nag-aalisan na yung aming mga neighbors kasi it's Monday today. Tapos na sila. Mas tahimik pag weekdays. So sabi namin about this specific campsite 810 is mainit na siya kapag past around 12 to 5 p.m. Walang shades. Doon lang may shades. Kaya mainit. So next time we will survey some areas around here na malilim. Medyo malilim naman. Ano pag super hot day. Okay lang siguro siya pag malamig. Okay siya. Pag sa malamig na weather kung dito siya. Kasi sunny. Pero kapag super init, sobrang init din ng tent midday. Maya magba-bonfire kami. And cook some barbecue sa fire pit. Okay? Yeah. But it's a very very nice camping area, campground. You can hear lots of birds, owls at night, chirping. Yeah.
They laugh at you.
Yeah, you can hear them at night, even during the day right now. Also, they have some hills.
Very rare.
We tried fishing this morning, but there's a lot of boats and there's no spot to fish. So, we ended up just not catching any fish. Yeah, that's our review for this, our day 2 in Little Bow Campground. Bye bye. Hi. Oh, it's hot, right? It's hot. Ayun. Kain na tayo. Spaghetti. Birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola J.
Birthday, Lola J.
I'm still bored.
He's still bored.
That's Pikachu.
Eli's want to play. I want to swim na, but it's super hot.
So will we?
Later pa. Still have to clean up.
Yeah.
And then fish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kasi na kuya?
May
Just put
bird
it there,
kami
kuya.
din, oh. He's just chilling. Waiting for food to drop.
Cut one bite.
Behind you, brother,
4.
is the bird.
One bite.
4.
Huh? 4 bites. Yeah. But no, simut.
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 So you choose 10 bites or 4 bites?
Simut. 1.
Day 2, swimming. Dami pa rin tao kahit weekdays. Oh. Not that much. Hindi naman ganun ka-busy. So this is our second night. Katatapos lang namin mag-swimming. Tapos yan, nag-start na ng
Hike.
fire para sa aming barbecue.
Hike.
At ang aming sinampay.
Ma.
Oh.
Hike.
Hmm.
Hike.
Hike?
Hike.
What hike?
I wanna hike in the
Oh, you want to hike? Oh, yeah. After dinner.
mountain.
Kapag meron pang, pag maliwanag pa. Yan, naantay. Grabe.
Anti-itch.
Ang tagal namin sa lake. 3 hours. 3 hours, no? Lublub talaga. Ang init. Pero masarap dun. Open. Mahangin. Mahangin doon. Ang aming barbecue
My
guy.
daughter wants to play Monopoly.
Yan na. Ini-start na ni Jare. Ang aming barbecue.
Look at me.
Look at you. Oh, what's wrong? Oh. You want to go to the beach again? We spent 3 hours, more than 3 hours at the beach. Ang tagal, di ba? Next time. You want to come here again? You want to come here again?
Yeah.
Yeah. In 2025. Yeah. With grandma and grandpa and tita Nat and tita Nicole, tita Shina. Yeah. I hope they will gonna come now. And this is our tiny setup sa aming kitchen area. Yan, our stove.
Mama, look at me again.
Sausawan, mga condiments,
Look at me again.
mga leftover. Doon yung ano namin, washing area. Diba? Shala, washing area. Kainan na. Kahit may na-stress dyan. Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
The more burnt it is, the better it is.
Thank you for dinner.
Yeah.
It is now past 8:30 and we decided to go hiking. Ang init kasi kanina. Nakakapagod. Akit lang kami sa hills. From here, we can see the lake. Ganda. It's a little smoky tonight. Kung di lang siya ganun na smoky, makikita from here yung windmill. Daming windmills dito. And kikita natin ang sunset over there. Oh, may nagpapalipad ng airplane toy doon. Mga upgraded toy airplane. Ang laki.